Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart diagram in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you need to visualize processes, map out user flows, or present complex information in a clear, structured way. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Figma application on your device. Once you've got Figma up and running, navigate to the project where you want to create your flowchart diagram. This could be an existing design file or a brand new project, whichever suits your needs best. Having your workspace ready is the foundation for building out your flowchart effectively. Now look towards the bottom of your screen and click on the Action button. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma's real power comes in, as plugins extend the platform's capabilities far beyond basic design tools. You'll be able to access specialized features that make creating flowcharts much faster and more efficient than building everything from scratch. In the search bar that appears, type flowchart and click on it when it shows up in the results. Then click Run to activate the plugin. This will launch the flowchart tool and give you access to all the shapes and connectors you'll need. The plugin should load quickly, and you'll notice a panel appearing with various flowchart shapes ready for you to use. The plugin will now display several shapes that are standard in flowchart creation, things like ovals, rectangles, diamonds, and more. Each of these shapes has a specific purpose in flowchart design. Ovals typically represent the start or end of a process, rectangles are used for actions or steps, and diamonds indicate decision points where the flow can branch in different directions. Let's start building. Drag an oval shape to the top of your canvas. This will serve as the starting point of your flowchart. Next, click the arrow down on the oval and select Rectangle. This creates a connection from your starting point to the first action step in your process. The arrow automatically links the two shapes, which keeps your flowchart organized and easy to follow. Now click the arrow down on the rectangle and select the diamond shape. The diamond represents a decision point where your process splits based on certain conditions or choices. This is a critical element in most flowcharts as it shows where different outcomes can occur. Next, click the left arrow on the diamond and select rectangle. Then do the same on the right side of the diamond by clicking the right arrow and adding another rectangle. These two rectangles represent the two possible paths that come out of your decision point. This branching structure is what makes flowcharts so effective at visualizing logic and processes. Now click the arrow pointing to the bottom of each rectangle and select the oval shape. Do this for both rectangles. These ovals represent the end points of each path, bringing your flowchart to a clean conclusion on both sides. At this point, you've successfully created the structure of a complete flowchart. All you need to do now is input data inside each shape. Click on any shape and start typing to add labels that describe what each step or decision represents. This is where your flowchart comes to life, turning abstract shapes into a meaningful visual guide. And that's it. You've created a professional flowchart diagram in Figma using a simple plugin. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.